Inflammation is the root cause of many health issues, whether it's thyroid disorders, autoimmune conditions, fatigue, stomach problems, or widespread pain. These are signs of underlying inflammation. This drink has been shown in research to reduce inflammation when consumed daily. Most people aren't addressing the inflammation that lies at the heart of chronic conditions. Many may be on medications or following various diets, but they're not tackling the root cause. Once inflammation is addressed, symptoms can disappear and diseases may reverse. This drink contains ingredients that have been proven to fight inflammation. Here's a breakdown. Cinnamon. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon helps reduce inflammation. It also improves insulin sensitivity and blood circulation. Cardamom, a spice rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that reduce gut inflammation and support digestion. Turmeric, known for its active compound curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that works similarly to ibuprofen. Black pepper increases turmeric's absorption, boosting its effectiveness by over 10 times. Ginger contains gingerols and paradols, both of which offer strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Lemon or lime provides vitamin C, which helps combat inflammation quickly, especially when combined with other antioxidants. Green tea or regular tea acts as the base, with green tea offering extra antioxidants like EGCG. Recipe: boil 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of loose green or regular tea. Then add 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon and cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a few black peppercorns, and 1/2 inch of fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Let steep for 5 to 7 minutes, then strain. Squeeze in half a lemon and optionally add honey. Sip slowly over 10 to 15 minutes. Try this drink daily, ideally in the morning or late morning, and notice a reduction in inflammation within a week. Share the experience in the comments.